cannot be saying, okay, I would shampoo every 2 weeks because a natural hair video says shampoo every 2 weeks. No. How do we actually use these products?
You wanna start in your own life.
People of the interweb, welcome to my channel. My name is Okachi Agnes. If you like my vibe, then please subscribe. And if you're to my channel, what do I say over here? You're welcome back home. You are welcome in the name of the Lord. Amen. So over here on this channel, I am Dinesh. Though my content revolves around natural hair, entrepreneurship, and lifestyle, there's more to me than that. So anything you see from me, physically like that, okay? So guys, this video is your one-stop how to grow a natural hair growth video for 2025. Guys, if you watch all those videos, other videos, discard them, format your brain, format your memory. We are going to be giving you the tea of how to actually grow your hair in 2025, okay? This is not just your regular deep condition every wash day, shampoo every 2 weeks, trim your hair every 3 months, blow dry every day, stay away from heat, finger the tangle. No. All those, everybody already knows all of that, okay? So guys, this is actually giving you real steps to grow your hair, okay? So without further ado, you know how we do. Let us get right into the video. So before we proceed, let me do a quick intro of myself so you know who is talking to you. Okachi Agnes, diploma in cosmetology, natural content creator for almost 8 years. It's 2017 January, 8 years. I have worked as a hairstylist, worked as an apprentice as a hairstylist in a salon, freelance hairstylist, and what else? I'm a haircare business owner. I have a haircare company, DIY Okachi. I have amazing products, so you can always shop my company, shop my products, okay? And what else? I'm doing content for a couple of years. I've made, give or take, probably over 100 people's heads. I don't have a salon or anything, but I've made that. Yeah, it's crazy. So you know whoever that's coming at you is coming at you with facts, the real tea, okay? So let's get right into the video. So for this hair growth attack, I call it an attack, this hair growth plan, we are breaking down into five super easy steps, 5 super plain, super easy steps. I already shared this on my Instagram, so you can always follow me, Natural Kachi, and on my TikTok also, Natural Kachi. And guys, let's get started. So my first step here is choose a problem. I know that sounds very crazy, but I feel like that's the first thing you should do. Identify the problem. When you want to write a final year report or a project report or a paper, you go write problem statement. You state the problem. What's the problem you want to solve? Okay, so the same thing applies to your hair. Okay, so look at your hair now. If you actually want to grow your hair, no matter how much you're going to deep condition, if you have dandruff, and I'm not doing the dandruff things for dandruff, your hair will not flourish. Your hair will not be in its healthiest state. You get me? So I'm going to have a list of different problems that are very common in natural hair community, the hair community in general. And these are things I've also identified in like my past clients, people I've made hair for in the past. Okay, so we have hair breakage. When your hair is breaking, your hair is not retaining length. That's a problem. So if they tell you, okay, we're using anti-dandruff treatment, that won't solve hair breakage. Can you see? Oh, be doing this, be doing that, be trimming your hair with this. So it won't solve hair breakage. You get what I mean? There's dry scalp. If your scalp is dry, that's a problem. If you have dry and flaky scalp, not dandruff. We'll go and watch my video of dandruff versus dry scalp. Links at the top right corner. That was a very detailed video of how to determine if you have dandruff or if you have just dry scalp. Guys, this channel is loaded, okay? Then there's problem of your hair being hard. Your hair is just so hard. It's so dry and hard, and that's a problem. That's a hair problem. And the problems are things that actually restrict or limit your hair growth. The next one is shedding. Excessive shedding. That's a problem. Next one is inflamed scalp. That is another problem. Another problem here is lice. Yeah, I've had people tell me, Kachi, I have lice. What can I do? Kachi, what can I do? That's a problem. The next one is dandruff. This is so common. Dandruff. That's a problem. I have a detailed dandruff playlist. I'll probably create a playlist for you. I have videos actually, but a playlist in the top right corner. I also tackled dandruff for a bit, like late last year into this year, so I can speak on that, baby. Okay, the next problem here is single strand knots, split ends, low density. Like these are just, I only identified 10 common problems, but there are more problems than this. So these are just 10 common problems that, oh, because I don't know everything that they say, trim my hair, but my hair is still not growing. Identify the problem. You want your hair to be in its healthiest form. So you might be doing the right steps for the wrong thing. Like when you're using Panadol to solve, I don't know, an infection, it's not going to work. Panadol is good for you, so it takes away the pain and it's pain medicine, but the infection will still be there. You get what I mean? Exactly. My next step now is to select products to tackle those problems you have. Oh, you have dandruff, pick this. You have this, pick this. I'm going to have a detailed table. No, I put like just a half table, but I'm going to have like a PDF where you can like a link in the description box and in the caption where you can fill it from, and I will send you a PDF of all the of what I would suggest you should use for these problems for free. You're not paying any money. Just fill your name and email and I'll forward this to your mail. That's it, that's all. But you can short what's on the screen right now. The problem, the specific ingredients you're going to look out for in products for that problem, and then products you can use. I'll most recommend my product because other companies are not going to be recommending my products for me, baby. So brace yourselves. But you get what I mean. So we are going to speak. Let's speak breakage for example. Breakage is caused by a bunch of stuff, but breakage is the problem. It can be caused from your hair being dry. It can be caused from your hair lacking proper moisture, or your hair even lacking protein. So I'm going to have different variants of products. What ingredients will you look out for? Moisturizing ingredients, moisturizing herbs, proteins, hydrolyzed protein, hydrolyzed wheat protein, hydrolyzed oat protein, hydrolyzed soy protein, hydrolyzed proteins. So what products do I recommend? DIY's like Achieve Vitalizing Deep Conditioner. It's a protein-based deep conditioner. Can you see? Okay, you have dandruff. What ingredients you look out for? Parathion zinc, sulfur, salicylic acid, charcoal. I think charcoal. Which other ingredients? Which other ingredients is for ketoconazole? Look out for those ingredients in products. Okay, and then what products do I recommend? Heads and Shoulders anti-dandruff shampoo, Skin Science salicylic acid and sulfur ointment, salicylic acid serum from even skincare brands. Do you get it? Do you get the vibe? Exactly. So identify the products that will face your own specific problem. You have lice, go and buy so and so products. When you get that PDF, you will see what is inside. You have to do a lot more reading in 2025, babies. Don't just expect one video to come and spoon feed you for all like a very wide range of problems. You have to read. So I'm going to send you that PDF for free. Okay. My third tip here is your regimen. Okay. I mean, you've identified the problem. We've identified products used for the problem. So how do we actually use these products? What's our next step? How do we use products for our hair? So let's say you have dandruff. Dandruff is I like using dandruff as an example because many people can really relate. Unlike lice, that's not even as common as dandruff is like 1 in like 2 people or 1 in 3 people have dandruff. That's how like I think it's 1 in 2 people. So between me and another person, one of us will have had dandruff in our lifetime. That's how crazy it is. So that dandruff is quite common. So for dandruff, for example, I have bought the shampoo, Heads and Shoulders. I have bought salicylic acid serum. I've bought the salicylic acid ointment. I've bought scalp ointment. I've bought. How often do I actually use this? What is my routine for using this thing? That is your regimen. What is my timetable? I have dandruff. I have to wash my hair every 5 days. I can't be going 2 weeks because the flakes will flake me out. You get me? So we know that I'm facing dandruff. I cannot be saying, okay, I would shampoo every 2 weeks because a natural hair video says shampoo every 2 weeks. No. My own problem is I have dandruff. Shampooing every 2 weeks cannot work. I have lice. God forbid I don't have lice, but someone has lice. They say, okay, shampoo your hair with this, blow dry hair every day. It won't, and you know that thing will not work for life. But you're just believing God that okay, because they said it will work. Let me just try it. It won't work for it. Or I have very irritable scalp or very inflamed scalp. This person said that okay, she used to blow dry her hair and straighten it with a hot comb every week or every 2 weeks. But you know that your scalp is very irritable. If that thing should really touch your scalp, Otilo, it is gone. So you guys get the thing. So your regimen is not like a fixed, all-in-one, all-encompassing. It's not just one regimen for everybody. No, it can be a generalized regimen if you don't have any of these problems. But I'm talking to my girls that have problems. Yeah, exactly. Right? God will provide solution. But you get what I mean. So for these problems, go back to using dandruff for example. So you have dandruff and someone said in a video they are watching on YouTube, oh, I wash my hair once a month. You can wash your hair once a month. By the time you turn to, do you want to build a snowman? Turn to a snowman. You will know what's up. So going off by use your problem to draft your regimen. There's not all-in-one, all-encompassing regimen as I said earlier. So use your pick in the problem you have. Oh, I have dry scalp. That means my scalp has to become moist more often. I can't be moisturizing my hair and my scalp once every month. That won't cut it for me. Or my scalp gets really dry. I can't be shampooing my hair every 2 days. I'm not a white girl. You get what I mean? So pick a problem, pick the product, and pick how often you're going to use these products in your hair to tackle those problems. Because remember, only a healthy scalp can grow out healthy hair. Okay, let's go. My fourth step is incorporate lifestyle change. This is where eating right, for things like dandruff, avoiding stress. If you are stressed, your hair will shed like mad. This is me. I'm a testament to that. If you are stressed, I have lost a hair ball almost as big as my two hands, and my hands are quite large. Baby, don't let these hands catch your face. They are quite like, see my hands across my face. They are quite large, and I've lost hair like almost my 2 palms because of I was so stressed. Then I was job hunting, so I mean, I was so stressed. I lost so much hair. My God, asking, did you cut your hair? Baby, I didn't cut my hair, baby. I was looking for work. Yeah, you know me. Yeah, please give me work. Exactly, but you get what I mean. I had to now start relaxing because I was so stressed. I was so anxious. Is this? You might think that okay, it's just stress for one day. It's just stress for 1 week. By the time I took down that my hairstyle, I was like, and I what? So lifestyle change is like being calmer. I'm not even saying now, the regular eat right, drink water. You guys already know all of those. It's not news. It's not something I hear for the first time. But just being calm in situations. Being calm, drinking your teas, drink your black tea, drink your chamomile tea, drink your moringa, drink your teas, guys. I'm not joking. Drinking teas. That's one heck of a tip you would not hear somewhere else. Drink your teas. Apart from applying your teas to your hair, drink your teas, guys. Drink. Don't play, baby. Drink your teas, okay? And guys, so the other lifestyle changes that work out, go to the gym, lift weights, keep fit, be careful of what you eat, don't smoke. It's not attractive. It's very nasty behavior. Don't smoke, don't drink alcohol. If you're drinking, drink moderately. You get what I mean. This is not news, okay? So that's the fourth step. And guys, the final step is document. Everybody cannot be a content creator. I'm not saying document and share online, no. But you wash your hair for the first time in the month, take a picture. You wash your hair every 2 months, take a picture. Wash your hair and do this, take a picture, just so that you can see your progression over the period of months. Let me explain. Not everybody has time to come and be saying, oh, let's check on my shirt. Let's check. I don't even have. I've been a natural content creator for so long, for like how many years? And I don't even have a shirt where I did lens check and I do line. I do. If I wear this shirt today and I go and wash it, you will not see the line again. I don't remember where the line was. So I wouldn't say like do all of that. I'll just say take pictures, make videos of yourself. Well, hi guys, I'm washing my hair. I'll post on your WhatsApp status or your Instagram story. Just post, or so that it's even safe for you on the web virtually. I know something like Snapchat will remind you after a year that see what you're doing on so and so day. That way you have to look back and say, oh wow, my hair has really grown, guys. It has really grown, or my hair has come so far. And I used to battle dandruff. I don't have dandruff anymore. You get what I mean? So document is very important, guys. So these are my 5 super easy steps to grow your hair. There's no how you tackle all of your problems that your hair eventually would not flourish. You say, okay, I have dry scalp. Fix the dry scalp, your hair starts to flourish. And things that you already know your regular shampoo, this, so those ones are just like common things in the natural hair community. But this problem identification, your problem statements, then your methodology. This is giving like binary reports. Problem statements, methodology, literature review and methodology, conclusion and results and direct discussion. Exactly. That is what it is. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned a thing or two. Tell me if you found this video useful. Don't forget to fill the form in the description box so that you can get access to that all-in-one, all-encompassing PDF that has problems, ingredients, and solutions. After a week after this video goes up, that thing will become a paid service. So if you watch this video after a week, you will get that PDF for free, baby. You would have to shop it for I don't know how much, but you have to shop it. It's not going to be free. So once you see this video, quickly rush and go and fill that form, okay? Subscribe to the channel. We're joining to 32,000 subscribers, I think. I can't even remember. Follow me across all social media platforms on Natural Kachi. I think I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to fit to make it. Remember that God is watching, so you get an amazing show. Bye.